How to follow a learning path or curriculum in Sololearn. Ready to follow a structured curriculum in Sololearn? Let's dive into how you can easily follow a learning path step by step. First, open the Sololearn app and go to the Learn tab. At the top, you'll see recommended learning paths like Python for beginners, front-end development, or data science. These are not just random courses, they are organized roadmaps designed to take you from zero to scaled. Tap on a path and it will open a course map showing all the modules and checkpoints. Just tap the first lesson to begin, and Sololearn will automatically track your progress as you go. Each time you complete a section, you will be guided to the next one. You can pause anytime and resume right where you left off. And the best part, you can explore multiple paths simultaneously. Use the learning path to stay focused and avoid bouncing between unrelated topics. Which learning path are you currently following? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.